I'm Chuck Martin, General Manager of Innovation here at Bissell. At Bissell, we know pets and the messes they make around the home. And when it's time to bathe them, the messes, they get even bigger. We focus on cleaning up the messes that life brings, including the pet messes. Now we're bringing these insights to the dog bathing process. The Bissell Bark Bath truly is the next generation of bathing your dog, a faster, easier, and less messy way. Bissell's strengths are really around understanding the consumer and the needs of the consumer, especially the pet parent. And we know pets, we know how pets interact with the household and the messes that they make in a home. And we realized that people are very frustrated with the bathing process. And we took a look at that and we thought, well, if we're cleaning up after the dogs when they come into the house and they leave spots and stains on the carpet and upholstery, and we're never really addressing the animal itself that is dirty. So we started taking a look at the technology and the knowledge we had of both pets and cleaning, and we found this great new idea and this new concept about bathing your animal anywhere in your home. So marrying the insights that we have around the consumer experience and around the consumer with the engineering knowledge is the perfect match, because we know pets, we know pet parents, we know messes, we know dirt. Bark Bath is really important because it gives the consumer a new way outside of their traditional way of bathing to actually bathe their dog anywhere in their home that they want, whenever they want. What it also allows people to do is clean more frequently.
In 10 minutes I can have all 3 dogs, just a slight cleaning, and the smell goes away and everything. I mean, it works great. You could actually bathe your dog every other day if you wanted to, and it wouldn't be a chore. Where before it was a chore to bathe 3 dogs.
You can use it in your kitchen, and just within less than 10 minutes you can wash your dog. This is different because we're actually changing the way that you wash the animal. Normally you would wash from the...
Brilliant Pad, the world's first indoor self-cleaning potty pad system that gives you freedom and flexibility with better hygiene for you and your dog. Here's how it works. The dog goes potty and the pad absorbs liquids and begins to dry out solids. Then the system replaces the soiled pad with a fresh, clean one. A barrier lining wraps and seals waste to lock away odor. The system is hands-off for weeks at a time, then disposal is fast, easy, and clean. Simply replace the used roll with a new one. Each roll equates to 27 traditional pads. Brilliant Pad is also better for the environment. The pads use 1/3 less material than traditional pads. And the end caps and rods are biodegradable. Brilliant Pad gives your dog a healthy option when they're sick or need to go in the middle of the night, and they won't get uncomfortable from holding it too long. Brilliant Pad is automatic, clean, and convenient. Waste and odor are sealed away. It provides freedom and flexibility and improves health and hygiene for you and your dog. Relax. Brilliant Pad has you covered like no other indoor solution. Spend less time cleaning and more time loving. Buy Brilliant Pad today.
Our concept of health changes as we do, and everyone, from laymen to medical professionals, are seeing the healing process anew. A diagnosis and pill for every ill are fading, while a new paradigm emerges, one in which individuals, doctors, and everyone cooperate together, so the individual drives the process by making the decisions while the doctor and others support. And this is where we see the need of new technological innovations. Innovations that support and empower individuals in being the captain of their own health.
By 2009, we'd grown internationally, and so we launched Radiant Life Technologies with 2 revolutionary 21st century technologies, chromotherapy and the Delta laser.
At the heart of chromotherapy is the concept of supporting the body's own ability to self-regenerate. In chromotherapy, we are using completely non-invasive and safe combination of infrared laser, magnetic field, ultrasound, and color LEDs. As this unique synergy helps the diseased cells to recover, they in turn intelligently take care of the disease symptoms such as pain, low energy, chronic inflammation, or non-healing wounds.
As we were witnessing the success of chromotherapy around the world, we were perceiving the growing need of introducing a new device which will enable even more people around the world to benefit from chromotherapy, and on a price which will be affordable and in a form which will be easy to use whenever and wherever the need arises. That's how we came to the decision of introducing the Chromo Palm.
Comra Palm delivers powerful and fast healing results whenever you or someone close to you needs to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, restore tissue, or fight depression. It's safe, non-toxic, portable, and versatile, meaning you can use it quickly and easily wherever and whenever you need to. It's for you and your family to use straight out of the box. All you need to do is follow along the simple instructions in the accompanying user guide.
Things are so quickly moving on this, you know, especially when it's acute and you get to it really quickly, the pain's gone.
I've been using the Delta laser for some months now with quite good success, and I'm very impressed so far with the results that I've gotten. We see that integrative medicine could become the new standard of care, the new health paradigm.
Comra Palm shifts the focus to real healing, not just getting a diagnosis.
Hey Kickstarter! Goat Story is back. This time we are going to kick your brewing experience from here to right about here. 2 years ago we brought you one-of-a-kind coffee mug, the Goat Mug. Thanks to you, we've fallen even deeper in love with coffee. And we discovered that manual technique in combination with technology produces by far the best results for coffee brewing. We combined all your favorite features from the tools you already know into a most complete device for coffee brewing. Meet Gina.
Gina, the first smart coffee instrument, connects with an app and lets you follow the brewing guide or create your own. With the built-in smart scale, you'll find the perfect ratio between coffee, water, and time. And by tuning the valve, you'll set the right drop flow for your brewing method. Play with Gina and discover 3 different coffee techniques. Explore immersion for a richer body. Enjoy classic pour-over for the purest taste. Or cool down with cold drip flavor. Gina is designed to be on display. Built of high-end materials, carefully selected and made to last. Now imagine yourself brewing and discovering all shades and tastes a coffee bean has to offer. With Gina, you can also save your creation and share it with the whole community. Coffee brewing can truly be a special experience every single time with every single cup.
Coffee lovers, we need you to bring Gina alive. Support us and let her impress you.